question. If minus 5 is a root of this quadratic equation, then find the value of p. यहाँ दिया गया है कि दिए गए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का एक रूट -5 है, तब हमें p का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. So the given equation is 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0. Consider it as equation 1. Since minus 5 is a root of this equation, that means minus 5 is a root of this equation. That means this value must satisfy this equation. So we put x is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. Since already it is a root, that means यह इक्वेशन को तो सेटिस्फाई कर ही रहा है, तो हम डायरेक्ट पूरा इक्वेशन लेकर चलते हैं. एंड वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू -5 here. So 2 into -5 whole square plus p into -5 minus 15 is equal to 0. This implies 25 into 2 50 minus 5p minus 15 is equal to 0. That means what we have 35 minus 5p is equal to 0. Now send 5p to other side, we get 5p. Now send 5 here. That means p is equal to 35 divided by 5, we get 7. That means the required value of the p is 7 here. Now look at the second question. In the second question, x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to -3 are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. Then find the value of a and b. Remember, in this equation, two missing value is given, two unknown values are given, a and b you have to find out. And according to the two missing value, you have to given two value of the variable. So since the roots are given, that means as we solve the steps in the question number 1, similarly we do the same here. So given equation is ax square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. We consider it as equation 1. And since x is equal to 2 by 3 is a root of this equation, that means this value must satisfy this equation. So this implies we put x is equal to 2 by 3 in this equation. So a into 2 by 3 whole square plus 7 into 2 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. Now simplify, we get 4a by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b is equal to 0. Now take the LCM here. So we get 4a plus 42 plus 9b is equal to 0. Now send this 9 to the other side of equal to. So 9 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होकर 0 बन जाएगा. So we write here 4a plus 42 plus 9b is equal to 0. You can consider it as equation number 2. Now we take the another value of the root and similarly follow the same steps. Now again x is equal to -3 is a root of equation 1. That means again we put x is equal to -3 in the equation 1. In equation 1, so we write here a into -3 whole square plus 7 into -3 plus b is equal to 0. So after simplification we get 9a minus 21 plus b is equal to 0. Now we keep b a side this side and send the other number to the other side of equal to. That means minus 21 become plus 21 and plus 9a become minus 9a. Now we consider it as equation number 3. Now we put this value of b from this equation into the equation 2. Now we put value of b in इक्वेशन 2. इस इक्वेशन में हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. सो व्हाट वी गेट 4a प्लस 42 प्लस 9. b की जगह हम रख रहे हैं ये वैल्यू 21 माइनस 9a इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी सिंप्लीफाई दिस. Just simplify it. 4a plus 42 plus, just break it, 9 minus 81a is equal to 0. So after simplification we get 4a minus 81. What we get? Minus 77a plus 189 plus 42. 189 plus 42 we get 231 is equal to 0. Now send minus 77a, send 231 to other side, then we get minus 231. So when we do the simplification we get this imply a is equal to minus 231 by minus 77. So we get 3. That means the value of a we get here 3. Now we put this value of a in the equation number 3. So we can calculate the value of b. So from equation 3 we put this value of a. So we get b is equal to 21 minus 9 into 3, that means 21 minus 27, we get minus 6. So this is the value of b and here the value of a. So for the quadratic equation, when two roots are given and in the equation two missing values are given, then accordingly you can solve it. So the 4 questions for you. First question is, if x is equal to square root 2 is a root of quadratic equation this, then find the value of k. The second question, if x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3 are roots of the equation, this equation, then find the value of a and b. Similarly, it is the third question. If x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3 are roots of this equation, then find k and m. And in the last question you have to check for the given quadratic equation these two values are root or not.